We are in Iligan City, but the Acclaim group arrived 3 days ago in Cagayan de Oro City, and thank you so much to all churches who supported Acclaim coming here, headed by Bishop Tebaulit and with Rene and Art. There are additional members added to the church because of that. So through your support, and please continue to support, because this is a long-term project. It's more than a year that you will go, even 2 years, to visit evacuation centers, temporary settlements, and even in the permanent homes where they will live. We will go there, and I'm sure that your help will never be in vain. So continue, please, at least. Don't just give, but come and join the next wave of Acclaim with many different churches in Manila to come to Iligan City and Cagayan de Oro City. It's win many souls for Jesus this time.